Open Snapchat. From your Snapchat homepage, tap on Upload. Select Camera Roll. And now from your camera roll, go ahead and select the image, which image you want to use to make a sticker. Select the image. In here, tap this arrow, then tap on this cut icon, select Draw. Now draw around your subject, and here we can see the image selected. Tap on Done, and the sticker successfully created. Now to send this sticker in a chat or conversation, all you have to need, go to your Snapchat chat window and go to a chat or conversation. Tap this emoji icon, select here this icon, and here you will find all of your created sticker. So that's how you can actually create and send custom stickers in Snapchat